Hi, I'm Jerry France. Welcome to my channel and I'll show you how to do snow in Blender. It's our Blender project. Let's delete the cube and add a plane. Pressing S, I'm changing its size. Let it be like this. Okay, left click mouse to fix the size. Now let's go to Edit, Preferences, and we see add-ons. And let's choose snow. Let's find it. Let's write snow. Okay, real snow, I think it's good. Let's choose it. And click here, find real snow. And if you want, you can change coverage. You can choose your own coverage and height. I left coverage 100%, I think it's okay, and click add snow. So this is our snow. Let's see how it will be looking. I think it's good. That's it. This is our snow and you can use it for your projects. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!